Hi everybody. Today is Mother's Day and my family has taken me to Prickets Fort. It's in Fairmont, West Virginia. It's a beautiful place here. The wildlife is gorgeous. Lots of geese, ducks, many different kinds. I don't know if you can see them real well. I'm going to invest in a better video camera soon, now that I've decided to start to share my holistic healing experience with the world. I have found that through nature and many different things that have nothing to do with doctors and medications and things that they try to push on you to supposedly make you better, these other things through nature are what are actually healing me. And when I found this out, that not only are they healing me, but I am growing spiritually and emotionally and just in so many different ways. I just thought there might be other people out there that could benefit from my experience. So, this will be the first video I post on my site. I'm sorry if it doesn't come out real well, but hopefully I'll be getting a better video camera in the future. So, here at Prickets Fort, there's also, of course, a huge, beautiful fort. You can see the side of it there. I don't really know all the history on it. If I find it, maybe I'll read it to y'all. But there's a lot more to the park here. This is just some of it. Over here, I don't know if you can see it real well. There's train tracks. A beautiful covered bridge that goes over the water. I'll have to go over there and try to get closer. You can see it better. The ducks just had their fill of bread and crackers. About 2 other families came down to feed them at the same time we did. They're such amazing creatures. I just can't get over how they'll just come straight up to your hand and eat from you, and they hiss and oh, they're funny. It's just so relaxing and so just beautiful to be able to communicate like this with these animals and just be a part of nature, be a part of creation. It just does something so good for my soul and my body, I'm finding out now. Alright, I want to try to keep this under 5 minutes, so there's my first video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.